This is a cup of coffee, and this coffee ground is what's left behind after you drink this. Every day, millions of businesses throw away coffee grounds. At the same time, billions of words are printed from an ink that uses fossil fuels. We read books on sustainability, climate change, and environmental degradation, using an ink that is effectively harming our environment. This global irony transforms, incentivizes, and begins TerraTone.
Ink is everywhere, yet we almost never question it. Conventional printing ink relies heavily on fossil fuels, carbon black, and synthetic chemicals. Manufacturing just 1 kilogram of traditional ink releases significant carbon emissions and introduces toxic substances into water systems. With the global printing industry producing millions of tons of ink each year, this results in over 1 billion kilograms of greenhouse gases annually.
Simultaneously, cities generate over 2 billion tons of organic waste every year in the form of coffee grounds, leaves, and food scraps. Yet less than 1/3 of it is composted or reused, releasing greenhouse gases instead of being recovered.
Then, something simple but powerful dawned on us. What if organic waste wasn't a problem, but a resource? What if the materials we throw away every day could solve a major source of pollution in modern life? Ink.
TerraTone transforms organic waste into natural carbon-negative pigment. By upcycling materials like coffee grounds and fallen leaves, we create sustainable ink that replaces fossil fuel-based pigment without requiring manufacturers to change their equipment or workflow. TerraTone doesn't ask industries to compromise. We offer sustainability that fits directly into existing systems.
Our process is intentionally simple, scalable, and sustainable. First, TerraTone begins with feedstock acquisition and characterization, sourcing organic waste from cafes, schools, restaurants, and local communities. Each batch is assessed for moisture content and organic composition to ensure consistency across production. Second, the collected materials undergo pre-processing and contaminant removal, including mechanical cleaning and controlled dehydration for pigment quality.
Third, TerraTone applies a solvent-free aqueous thermal extraction process in which the prepared organic material is gently heated in water. This releases naturally occurring chromophoric compounds from the biomass. Fourth, the resulting mixture undergoes multi-stage filtration and sediment separation to isolate pigment-rich fractions while removing fibrous residues and unstable organic matter.
Fifth, the extracted pigments are combined with plant-derived biopolymer binders such as gamma-rabic and undergo rheological tuning to achieve controlled viscosity, adhesion, and flow properties suitable for printing and coating applications. Unlike many so-called natural inks, TerraTone avoids charcoal, heavy metals, and plastic-based additives, keeping the process genuinely low impact.
TerraTone focuses on applications where sustainability creates immediate impact. Our ink is ideal for products like business cards, packaging, paper bags, posters, paintings, brand logos, cloth design, and labels. These are all items that are produced in massive volumes, used briefly, and discarded, making them the perfect candidates for low-impact biodegradable ink solutions.
The global organic pigment market is valued at over $4.4 billion and is rapidly growing. In South Korea alone, the market exceeds $170 million and remains relatively unsaturated. Our initial customers would be packaging companies, printing companies, and construction companies facing increasing regulatory and consumer pressure to reduce environmental harm. TerraTone offers a rare combination: sustainability, affordability, and compatibility.
Existing sustainable ink companies rely on limited feedstocks like algae or wood waste. TerraTone's advantage lies in flexibility. By using diverse organic waste streams, we reduce supply risk, lower costs, and enable broader adoption. Sustainability should scale, and TerraTone is designed to do exactly that.
Every kilogram of TerraTone pigment represents 2 victories. 1. Fossil fuel ink avoided and organic waste diverted from landfills. And 2. At scale, this means lower carbon emissions, reduced microplastic pollution, and a more circular materials economy.
TerraTone reimagines waste as a possibility.
By transforming something society discards into something it depends on,
we prove that sustainability doesn't require sacrifice, just better design.
we are TerraTone.
We believe the future should be rooted in ink that doesn't cost the earth.